This is a family farm, and as we've gotten a little bit larger and a little bit more established, we've diversified. We've gone from doing hay to doing hay and maple, doing hay maple perennials, and now doing hay maple perennials and grains. An heirloom grain is a staple product that's been grown in one area for a long period of time. It tends to have a tradition and a history in its own right. Because I'm just doing whole wheat, they're going through a European stone mill that is, two corundum milling stones that are operating in parallel with each other. One turns, one is stable, and you wind up cracking down the whole grain, which is going to include the germ, the bran, and the starches inside, and you get a nice fine flour. My parents wanted a place where we could have a larger farm, and Washington County was sort of by chance that they wound up here, and we've been fallen in love with it and been in love with it ever since.